Imagine sitting in a US clinic. A woman over 50 points to her scalp and says, "Doctor, my hair is disappearing faster than my retirement savings." And most doctors reply with the usual greatest hits. "It's aging, it's genetics. Try this expensive shampoo that costs more than your first car." But here's what rarely gets said. Your hair follicles are listening to your thyroid. And your thyroid is listening to something even more surprising: the nuts on your kitchen counter. Medical schools talk endlessly about T3 and T4 thyroid hormones, yet somehow the conversation about selenium and zinc often vanishes into the Bermuda Triangle of modern medicine. These two minerals help convert thyroid hormones into their active forms and directly affect the cells that build each strand of hair. So today I'm answering 3 questions that matter to all women worldwide, from the US to Europe and beyond. 1. How do selenium and zinc influence thyroid hormones after menopause? 2. Which nuts support that pathway, and which might quietly sabotage it? 3. And is it true that 1 to 2 Brazil nuts could reset the entire hair growth cycle? Stay with me. The last part will shock anyone with a thyroid, a scalp, and a sense of humor. Chapter 1. What's really happening to hair over 50? Hair grows in cycles: anagen, growth; catagen, transition; and telogen, rest. Thyroid dysfunction shortens anagen and pushes follicles into telogen prematurely. The result is the familiar pattern: diffuse thinning, brittle strands, slow regrowth. Selenium is required for enzymes called deiodinases. They convert T4 into T3, the hormone that actually talks to follicles. Zinc stabilizes the receptors on those same cells and supports keratin production. Translation: from medical language into human language. Without selenium and zinc, your scalp gets a voicemail instead of a live call from the thyroid. Chapter 2. The Brazil Nut Revelation. Brazil nuts are naturally rich in selenium. Research shows that small amounts can improve thyroid enzyme activity. Now the internet screamed, "Eat the whole bag." No, please don't do that. Even your guardian angel would resign. Excess selenium can be harmful. The magic is in 1 to 2 nuts a day, not 47 while watching late-night television. Doctors tracking post-menopause hair changes noticed improvements in strand strength and shedding rates when selenium intake was adequate. That's why this angle ranks. It connects real thyroid physiology with a simple food behavior. If you're watching this and you're over 50, you are exactly the woman this message was created for. Take 1 second right now, like the video, and leave a short comment with your age. It helps build a database of real women, so future footage answers the questions that matter to us, not to the shampoo industry's marketing department. Chapter 3. Other thyroid-friendly nuts. Almonds provide zinc, vitamin E, and magnesium that support scalp circulation. Walnuts contain omega-3 fats beneficial for inflammation control. Pumpkin seeds, strong zinc source linked to follicle repair. Brazil nuts, selenium champion, when used wisely. These foods align with searches in the US, UK, Canada, France, and Germany because they address root causes rather than cosmetic cover-ups. Chapter 4. The sabotaging. Some nuts may worsen issues when eaten as salted, roasted snacks coated with inflammatory oils. The danger isn't the nut, it's the industrial makeover it receives before reaching the bowl. Your thyroid does not read labels like "heart healthy," printed by the same company that fried it in soybean oil. It reads minerals and inflammation signals. So the real message: whole, minimally processed nuts help. Heavily salted snack nuts confuse the pathway. Daily routine doctors recommend: check thyroid symptoms early, ensure adequate selenium and zinc, consider 1-2 Brazil nuts, combine with balanced anti-inflammatory meals, avoid turning nuts into a sodium carnival. Think of it as functional medicine with snacks that behave themselves. Before you leave, subscribe to the channel family and share this video with one woman who is battling thyroid or hair thinning. Post-menopause health ranks higher when women move together instead of suffering silently. Watch the next video on your screen for more healthy tips. Remember, hair loss after 50 isn't a personal failure. It's often a thyroid conversation waiting to be translated. Selenium and zinc are the interpreters, and Brazil nuts, in the right dose, may be the microphone your follicles were missing. Or, to say it with my sarcastic voice one last time, your scalp prefers 2 Brazil nuts to another miracle shampoo invented by a graphic designer. Stay active, stay healthy, and stay happy.